Nobi is an all-in-one business solution. Hi and welcome to this video. We'll show you how to use the Nobi marketing tool in this video. Nobi marketing is the most time-saving and precise online marketing tool. It will assist you in identifying and stimulating the appropriate target client groups, as well as increasing conversion rates, revenue, and lowering marketing expenses. Furthermore, Nobi marketing assists organizations in effectively measuring and controlling the performance of marketing efforts. Finally, the call center, voice IP feature is intended to assist you in taking care of consumers in a lot more efficient and easy manner. What aspects of your online business will Nobi marketing help you with? Easily manage and measure marketing campaigns results. Implement multi-channel marketing campaigns in just one dashboard. Support for the website connection API is simple. Implement automatic multi-channel remarketing effectively. Here are the sections where we guide you. How to log into Nobi software. Using the Nobi marketing function, the meaning of every function and dashboards. Marketing campaign. Shopee marketing, Facebook marketing. Zillow marketing. SMS marketing. Email marketing, registration, web forum. Call center, voice IP API to connect website. How to log into Nobi software. After registering on the website nobi.pro, you will receive the account name, password, and personal domain via email to log in. On the main dashboard, just click the Nobi marketing button to access all the functions. Marketing campaign. First, I will guide you to use the marketing campaigns feature. Easily add a new campaign. Create a campaign name, select the person in charge, select product and advertising channel, connection type, and source URL. UTM is the code attached to the domain name so that you can distinguish the customer from which channel. To manage campaigns, you must create an URL. Create a source URL on landing page. First, you open the landing page and click on Link Management. Next, you fill in the content on the displayed screen to create a source for the link. Select the campaign source where you will run the advertising from. For example, from Facebook, campaign medium is the advertising medium. Campaign name is the specific campaign name. Retail, slogans, promotional codes for products. Campaign term identifies paid search keywords. Campaign content is used to distinguish similar content or links within the same ad, then press Saves to finish. Copy the newly created link into the source URL box on the screen to add a new campaign at the beginning. To finish, press the Update button. In addition, you have more budget in the section. Set a budget for each day as desired. After filling in your budget, you can easily measure your daily spending, the average cost per lead, the average cost per order or close rate. From there, you can easily track and measure the effectiveness of each campaign. Shopee marketing. Next is the Shopee marketing feature to help you do remarketing for existing customers of the fan page effectively. For shops that are doing business on the Shopee platform, they can track and add new campaigns as in the marketing campaign feature. Shopee marketing allows users to send bulk messages to customers via API. This message is only sent to people who have texted and purchased from you. To add a new campaign, first, fill in the campaign information, then select the store to send it to, and then select the date and time to send. Then select the customer and choose the customer type with a wide selection with in-depth filters. After that, fill in the text of the message or upload the file. Then select Send. For campaign content, Shopee marketing will automatically create many messages with different content to protect your shop from spam messages. Content will be created in a 4-part structure. Each section is separated by a comma. Each section must contain other content separated by the character. For example, the first is the introduction, greetings depending on what you want. Second is the customer's name, the third is the main content. Finally, the end sentence. You can add an icon to make it lively. Then you choose the product or create a voucher to send to the customer. The voucher must be from the Shopee, not a voucher you created yourself. After completing the content, you press Add to complete. SMS marketing. There are two options. Register your own brand name or use the brand name of customer care Nobi to send messages to trial customers. To use your own brand, you will register in this forum. SMS marketing is divided into categories: customer service SMS, advertising SMS, SMS automation, SMS sample. You can also add a simple sample SMS in the sample SMS section. Adding a campaign also does the same operations as Facebook marketing. API to connect website. Used to connect to your website when customers order your website or leave information. Information will automatically flow to Nobi and synchronize with the data on the software. You can watch a detailed video tutorial for the feature in our next video. I have instructed you to use and fully exploit the features of Nobi marketing. Hope the video has helped you in the process of using the software. For any questions, please contact the fan page, email, website, hotline. Thanks for watching.